Here are the famous Japanese toilets. Here we go. Wonderful, so very well made. You flush, and at the same time, with that button, when you're refilling the tank, you can wash your hands. 2-in-1, pretty smart idea. And it's flushing. And then you have the little magic stud. Look at that. Just like pleasure after pleasure. So how can we tweak that? Because you're supposed to use your pressure to use that, and actually when you press on it, the switch is right here. So if you put some pressure on it, and I press on that one, there's a nice little shape. And I may be in trouble in a few minutes. And here we go. Oh, yeah, no, it's going very far. It's going all the way to the kitchen. No, that was not a good one. Oh my gosh. Okay, a little bit of cleaning to do now.